Hi there, students. Lag. To lag as a verb. A lag as a countable noun. And also lagging as an uncountable noun, but with a slightly different meaning. Okay, to lag is to fail to keep up, to fail to keep pace with someone else or with a group. So the group of cyclists started off, but soon as they were going very fast, some of the cyclists lagged behind. This student is lagging behind the rest of the class and really does need some extra help. Notice particularly with behind, to lag behind. So to go slowly, to proceed or develop with comparative slowness. Normally to lag is compared to someone or something else. The rollout of the COVID vaccine in this country is lagging behind the rest of Europe. Yeah, it's slower than, it's not going as fast. The economy is starting to lag. So here, to weaken, to slacken, to flag, and these two words are clearly related. At the beginning of the class, everybody was very interested, but slowly as it went on, enthusiasm began to lag. My attention lagged, so it weakened, it got less strong. Now, another meaning for to lag, to insulate. You know when you have a hot water pipe and they put either this foam or this felt around it, that is to lag, to insulate somebody. Maybe you could put lagging in your roof. There's lagging round these pipes. The meaning's actually related directly to the first meaning I've been explaining. It means that the time taken for the heat to dissipate, to come out, is slowed down. Yeah, it's weakened, it's slackened, and that's the idea of to lag. So if you don't lag your pipes, they will freeze in winter. Yeah, you need a thick layer of lagging to go over them. Now, lag as well. I'm sure you all know about lag with your computers. Yeah, this is the latency, a word we saw, I think, yesterday. If the lag on your computer is the time it takes for a signal to go from your computer to a server and come back, and that is the lag. I have a little program in MS-DOS that I always use to check my lag. It's normally about 50 milliseconds. It's quite enough. See if I can change that. Okay, so lag. My computer is lagging. If you're playing a computer game, an online computer game, lag can be a real problem. Yeah, so the lag, it's the time taken between an event starting or one event and then another, the action and the response, and that would be the lag. Yeah, so lag as a noun. Yeah, so to lag, to go slower comparatively compared to someone else. Their interest is lagging. Yeah, it's a gap or a delay created by something not keeping up. So they were running as a group, and they all and some of them began to lag behind. I'm sure you all know the phrase jet lag. Yeah, when you fly from one country to another, your body clock lags behind, is behind the real time. So it's 12 o'clock midday and you're ready to go to bed. That's the idea of jet lag. Or with this idea in computers, a time lag. The time lag between pulling the trigger and the explosion going off. Okay? You can also use the word a lag to talk about a criminal, somebody who has been in prison. He's an old lag. But notice this is very informal. I think it's probably just British as well. Yeah? He's an old lag and has spent many years in prison. Maybe the idea is he's lagged in prison. He's spent his life lagging in prison. So, to lag, to move slowly, to make progress so slowly that you're behind other people or other things. Development of this project is lagging behind schedule. It's falling behind. In a computer game, lag is the delay between you doing something and the computer game actually reacting to it. To lag, this is British apparently, to cover something with a thick layer of material in order to stop heat from escaping or to stop it from freezing. So you need to lag your pipes with lagging. And then a lag, a prisoner, somebody who has been in prison or somebody who is in prison. Okay, so lag. If you watch my videos every day, your English is not going to lag. Yeah? Well, maybe your enthusiasm could lag. To stay behind, to linger, to loiter. Maybe in an electrical circuit, the current lags the voltage. The current comes first and the voltage comes afterwards. Okay, so to lag, to slacken off, to weaken gradually. His energy began to lag. Yeah, his enthusiasm began to flag or lag. Okay, so lag. How formal is this? Okay, to lag behind, regular verb, he lagged behind, he's lagged behind all day. How formal? This is a 5 informality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. To lag a pipe with lagging, 5 informality, use it anywhere. A lag, an old lag, a prisoner, somebody who's been to jail, 3, 2.5 informality. This is very informal. Okay, and then as to origin, well, maybe it's related to the word last, or maybe it's of North Germanic origin, related to the Norwegian word laga, to go slowly. Okay, so a lag, a gap or a delay, but because something is not keeping up. So come on, keep up, don't lag behind. The lag in a computer game, the latency. A lag, a criminal. To lag, to insulate your pipes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lag.